What's going on, you guys? Good morning. Another beautiful day here in Florida. Got a few things going on today, but today I'm gonna try something different, something risky. So the other day I was driving and I went to put my AC down some, or turn on my cooled seats, because we're in Florida. It's hot, even though it's October, but yesterday was like 90 degrees. I went to turn on my cooled seats and I almost accidentally, doing like 65, almost hit the power button. So I got to wondering, what will happen if I hit the power button while driving my car? Only one way to find out. Today we're gonna find out. But first, I got a few errands to run, and once I get that done, I'm gonna attempt this. I hope I don't regret it, but we will find out. You guys stick around. I'm gonna run some errands, bring you guys along with me. It's gonna be a good day. Is it just me, or is this fast food really not all that fast? At least here where I live, it takes forever, man. I'm just saying, I've waited 20 minutes before at a McDonald's drive-thru, and I don't eat McDonald's but maybe once every 3 months, but they take forever. But I'm craving a double cheeseburger today, so I might wait it out. We are about to hit some major rain. Nice and sunny behind me, but you guys are about to see what we're about to hit. There you have it. I can barely see. You absolutely gotta love this Florida weather. I'm telling you, give it 10, 15, 20 minutes. Beautiful sunny day in Florida again. Not even 5 minutes later, the rain has stopped. That's how Florida is. But anyway, I stopped by the dealership and where I sell my cars. Got some things situated now. I'm here about to return some shoes that I don't need. I bought for the auction, but they just don't fit right. But after this, hopefully we can do our little test here of what will happen if I press the power button while driving. I'm really curious about what will happen. I'm not sure if the car's gonna turn off. The car has a safety feature where maybe it'll just ding or something and let you know you accidentally hit the power button, but we'll find out. We'll find out shortly. Alright guys, so we are gonna go try this. Hopefully it goes okay. As long as my car doesn't break down, I'm good. But I just stopped by my house, picked up the big camera. I got the GoPro set up as well, and we're gonna go test this. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous, just cause this is my daily driver. This is the only car I have to drive. But curiosity killed the cat, right? Like I said, what brought this to mind to even try is the other day I went to turn on my cooled seats and I almost tapped the power button to turn on or off my car, and got me to thinking, what would happen? So today we're gonna find out. Does Ford have a fail-safe system to where if you did accidentally hit that button, the power button or the start button, if the car will continue to run and kind of just beep at you like, hey, you accidentally hit the power button, be careful? Or will it turn off? If it turns off, it's a little scary, because come think about it. Let's say you're on the highway doing 70 miles an hour. It does turn off. It's dangerous because the button for the heated or cold seat, in my case cold seats because I'm in Florida, is right above the stop button. So we're gonna find out here in a second, guys. Alright, so let's see what happens. What I'm thinking is I'm gonna drive the car to about 45 miles an hour, 45 miles an hour, and then hit the start button. or stop button. I'm actually really nervous about this, guys. Don't know if I should be doing this. Let's get her up to 45. Alright, I'm gonna do 40. Woo! Hope it don't break, but here it goes. Here goes nothing. Nothing happened, guys. Nothing happened. Thank the Lord. I was honestly curious about what would happen. Like I said, I genuinely almost hit that button about a week ago, doing about, I think it was going like 60 maybe, but nothing happened. The car lives to drive another day. My heart's beating at 100 miles an hour right now. How about we do a quick pull though? It's a little wet. We're in Mexico, we're in back roads. Kinda. That torque got you guys going back and forth. That torque got you guys going back and forth. But anyway, guys, as you guys saw, nothing happened. At least with a 2016 Ford Mustang, if you accidentally hit the start stop button while driving, you're okay. Now I was in gear when I pushed it, so if you're in neutral and you hit it, that might be a different story, but nothing happens if you hit the start stop button while in gear while driving your car. So it is safe. I was nervous. Probably a dumb thing to even be nervous about, but I want to give it a try and see what really happened. But anyway, I'll catch you guys on the next one. You guys enjoy the rest of your day. Be great.